As a mother, we have to find devise means on how to prepare some certain veggies, mostly those ones that our kids don't love to eat. So we have to play around it, you know, to prepare it to make it appealing and attractive to them to the point that they will even be asking for more. And here is one recipe you can prepare that way if your children don't like veggies. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, we are going to be making this banana and beetroot waffle for breakfast or snack. This is very healthy. As you see in this video, I added beetroot and banana with liquid milk. It's optional. The milk is optional. You can use water. I blend everything very well. Then I pour into my bowl. As you see me doing. So after that, I'm going to be adding my Greek yogurt. Okay, yeah, I'm adding some Greek yogurt. After adding the Greek yogurt, I will also be adding all-purpose flour. Not too much. I'm going to list the ingredients, the quantity of the ingredients we use. I will list them in the description box. So I'm just going to mix that very well. So after mixing, then we'll continue the next process. So guys, let me know where you are watching from so that we can send you some oil. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell. To all our returning subscribers, thank you. I appreciate your presence. God bless you all so much. I love you all so much for the wonderful support. So I'm done mixing. So I'm just rubbing in some oil, vegetable oil. You can use butter as well so that it will not stick to the waffle maker. Okay, yeah, so that is it. Then 5 minutes each, at least 5 minutes is enough for the waffle to be properly prepared. 5 minutes is enough, yeah. 5 to 6 minutes, okay, 5 to 6 minutes. Look at the color, you know, this is so appealing to the eye. You know, things like this, kids love it. No kids will reject this very recipe at all. So we have to prepare some fried egg as well, yeah, to make it more appealing and more attractive and more delicious. In a bowl, I break my eggs and I added some carrots, then onions. I'm going to add some chopped minced pepper, then habanero pepper as well. At the end, I will add some seasoning powder and a little bit of salt. Okay, then I'm just going to, mix everything properly, mix everything together very well. So after that, the next thing will be to start making our egg. So I decide to also use the waffle maker for this egg. I was thinking once I try it for the first time, if it don't come out well, then I will now use fry pan to fry the egg. But to my greatest surprise, it came out really good, yummy and very attractive. It came out really nice. Yes, guys. Rubbing in some oil. I just covered that. Yeah, I think it was too much. As you can see, some of the air was on the ground. At this point, it was ready. Look at that. Looking yummy, attractive, and delicious. So I just repeat the same process until I was done with the eggs. Look at that. So at this point I was done. So I have some avocado that we are going to use as butter. You see, when I said that this very recipe, it has all the fiber, it has all the nutrients, antioxidants, vitamin, name it. This is one of the best healthy breakfast and very easy to prepare. It doesn't take 5 minutes at all. Very, very easy to prepare recipe. Will you be trying this out? I bet you are going to come back to confess and say that yes, your kids love it. It really came out nice. It was everything yummy. It was really, really nice. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. Please leave your comment. Share this video. God bless you all, guys, for always supporting. I love and I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for everything, guys. Stay tuned. Remain blessed and keep supporting us. Okay, guys. God bless you all. Ciao, ciao. Bye.